Realme GT6 launch date has been officially announced. The new Realme GT smartphone is being teased as the AI Flagship Killer, so we can expect generative AI features on the device. The Realme GT6 launch is scheduled for June 20th. While this is a global launch event, the smartphone will also be available in India. Realme GT6 might launch as a rebrand of the GT Neo 6 that's available in China. Realme GT6 to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, with 16GB of LPDDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Runs on Android 14-based Realme UI 5. Realme GT6 features a 6.78-inch 1.5K screen co-developed with BOE that has rated peak brightness of 6000 nits. The phone may come with a dual-camera setup, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS and an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide-angle lens. There'll also be a 32-megapixel front-facing shooter for selfies. Realme GT6 equipped with a 5500 mAh battery and supports 120W fast charging. It allows for a quick 50% charge in just 10 minutes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.